Hi guys, I am Pam and I run the Canva Creations with Pam on Facebook in the membership, the Canva Clubhouse. It's been a busy week. I apologize for the late, videos, but I have been working on some really big projects. Um, so yeah, so every day I'm going to try to do a video. Don't overwhelm myself, don't overwhelm you guys. Okay, so I think the biggest thing we really want to know about is something that it's not even like people don't even know that it's there unless it was talked about. Okay. There is a new AI image creator. It's called Dream Lab. It is with the Leonardo AI. Okay. We knew this was coming. However, a lot of people are like, well, how do I get to it? How do I get it? I don't see it in my dashboard. Yes. Some people have it, some people don't. It was a beta testing a while back. You signed up for what, or you got an email or something. However, don't stress. We all can get to it. It's just not in our dashboard yet. Okay. So this is how you get to it. If you do not see it underneath apps, then you don't have it yet. This is okay, so it is free to use, but you only get 20 for the whole lifetime. Pro users and up get 500 credits every month. So it's loaded at the beginning of the month. Um, yeah, I mean, gosh, that's well worth the pro right here because I think I pay for Midjourney $10 a month, which is fine. I get a lot of stuff and I love Midjourney. Um, so but to have this included with pro is beautiful now. So let's go ahead and try it out. I played around with it. There is some things that we have to kind of do, which, to be very honest, that's with all AI, right? All right. So you're going to go up, and it's going to be canva.com/dream dash I write it out lab. Okay, and I will put that in the um, description so that you guys just go to it. Now, I highly recommend if you do not have it in your dashboard right now to bookmark it. Okay, so then it's going to bring us to something similar in Canva. See, we still have the home, projects, template, brand, and apps over here. Okay, and right up here is where it will say how many credits you have. I've already gone through some because I've been playing around. I will show you what I've been creating, and I'm going to talk about some things. Okay, so prompting is very important. How you say it is very important, or how you write it, not say it. And yeah, okay, so let's go. So my very first one was I would like a beautiful beach scene. I don't mind these whatsoever. They actually turned out pretty good. I don't mind it. Um, then I said I would love an illustration of a gray pit bull. Well, the pit bull does not look like my pit bull. So I might have to do a little bit that like these pit bulls look like they are going to I don't know. They just they're ready, kind of thing. And so I probably need to work on my prompts on that one. And then I go over here and like I put in, I would love an illustration of a redhead woman at her pink desk. Okay, well, I got some of it. What I want to know is why they put her behind. Like, here's a drawer, here's a drawer. But hey, not going to question it. I mean, it looks fine. Like, if I want to use this one, this would probably be the one I use. Or I could just take off, just go into Canva and edit. And by the way, you can edit these right in Canva. I'm going to show you that in a second, but I feel like we need to do some prompt talking. Okay, and then I'm like, okay, Pam, stop with the short things. So I write illustration in a children's book showing a gnome holding a balloon. Yeah, whatever. I got the prompt off Midjourney, and it didn't quite do it, but it did exactly what I said. Illustration in a children's book. So watch how you word things. That's just the thing. However, if I liked one of these, I would just edit right here in Canva and just pull the image. I would just grab the image. And I did try that and it worked. So I can do that. Now I did grab this from Midjourney. It is more of a prompt. Like, look at this. I love this. It gives me this cool background, different backgrounds. It gives me cool little ladies, older, and man, they made her older, right? With the wrinkles and stuff. And the pimples looking cute. These are fun. These are fun. And it does say a vibrant, cheerful cartoon style illustration of an elderly woman. And then, so what I suggest with these is if you find some, like I'm going to keep this prompt because I love this beginning, a vibrant, cheerful cartoon style illustration. And then I can put whatever I want. Okay, so that is, and then the background is festive, and so I will be saving these prompts, and I'm actually going to just put them in a doc in Canva, just so you know. All right, so then I took out the elderly and just put woman, and I got some cool ones as well, like they're cute. And I mean, this is what I feel like I should use. So, because I love creating AI art around redheads and pit bulls. Sorry, that's just who I am. So then I kind of went back to a fun, creative, abstract landscape. These are fun. And then I'm like, okay, let's do the Halloween one. So I did some Halloween. I don't mind them. I like these. This one gave me an extra one. But I like how it is different in each one. Like they're not very similar. Okay. And then I grabbed another prompt, a very simple Victor style line art. Now, I don't mind these. And they're more like my doggy. I just need to probably work on the Christmas background prompt part of it. Okay. And then it does words. Now, obviously not, the best, but you can always take them in edit and take them into Canva and grab the grab text and change them up. Okay. So this, I just put October clip art. I was just really pushing it. And then mock up. So this is something that I could probably use right there. And then I did beautiful pink swirl. So I've just been playing around to seeing just what kind of words prompting and stuff. So right here, design with an illustration of the Santa. So I grabbed this from Midjourney, and I do like them. Like I like this, but it's on a plate. However, if I can just take all that out in Canva, I'm not going to let these little background things stop me from using anything that I want to use. This is perfect right here. I would just have to grab it, and I got it in Canva. Okay. So then I took out the design part of it, and it gave me a little bit better one. Like this one's similar to this one, but it did better, right? It didn't put it in a design. So then I go and I'm just, because holidays are coming, going to want some good images for social media and stuff like that. So I put in here and I grabbed it from chat or Midjourney, and I don't mind these. These are really nice. However, I was trying to get to a specific picture. So what I did was from this, I grabbed the image that I did a while back. It's in Mid-Journey, but then I found another one that I really liked. So I grabbed that one, and if they're in, in the public ones, and you can grab the prompt, you can use those. Those are public. So I went ahead and grabbed the image here. And what I did is I put it into ChatGPT. You can do this if you have the free one, it doesn't matter. You can tell them to be a prompt generator, or if you have the paid one, you can come over, and I have a couple prompt um, bots that that people have made. So you can explore the GBTs right here and just put in prompt generator. I have another program with Right Blogger that does prompt generators. So I have tools that I can use. And so I brought this picture into ChatGPT, and I just basically said, can you please give me a Mid-Journey prompt for this image? And it gave me a really nice one. And so what I did was I took that, I went over to the Dream Lab, and I put it in. And I got these, beautiful images. Hold on, I need to move this. The one I liked the most had these huge snowflakes in it. I'm like, well, okay. But like I said, don't worry. You can edit it right in Canva, and I'm gonna show you that right now. Okay. So I see how it says, look, these are the options. You can download it, you can edit, and what else is here? You can create a design, edit, delete. Okay. So right here, you can click edit as well. So I'm just going to click on the purple one, see what it does. Okay, so it brought it right into a design. Love that. Love, love, love that. So as you can see the big snowflakes. However, I'm pro. I can come up here and fix this. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I am going to go up to the floating menu bar above the image, and I'm going to click edit. And then I'm going to grab magic edit. You can do eraser if you don't want them in there. Just erase them. But I kind of want them in there. But I'm just going to make them smaller. So I'm going to press click, hoping that it will work. If not, I'll do the brush. So I'm just going to click on the snowflakes. Okay, awesome. It did it. So I'm just going to click on every single one. Okay, this is lovely. I love this. Okay, and then I'm going to grab them. Just taking a little longer because I'm on as well. Okay, so now it grabbed all of them. So I am able to make them smaller. And then I'm going to duplicate them. Oh. And move them around a little bit. I feel like I have allergies. Okay, so there we go. So that's how you can edit, right? So you just grab the image and just edit right there. You can, let's go back to the Dream Lab. And so I want to show you these buttons right here. So where it says smart, it's just going to think about what, it's just going to grab what kind of image. However, you can pick which style you want. There's all kinds. These kind of reminds me of the Magic Media things, but there's some things in here that Magic Media doesn't have. So there is quite a few that you can pick. Oh, the pop art, I bet that would be fun on some things. And then also you can pick what size, the ratio that you want. Um, for portrait ones, go for the 9:16. Social media, just do one-on-one. These are great. So there you go. Just a really dream lab in a little nutshell right here. I do believe this is something that a lot of us can utilize. I love that we can go ahead and let's see here. Let's grab this one. Using a design, or you can download. I'm just going to pick the purple button, and let's see if we can get just the image. And I'm just going to add another page so I have a place to put it. Okay, so I'm going to go back to here and click edit, and I'm just going to magic grab it. I was wondering if I could just do the oh yeah, perfect. Take out the background, but sometimes that doesn't always work. So, and then I'm just going to drag it to that one. And then I could probably do the remover a little bit, but it still has that white, but which is fine. Because what I can do is I can either go take this into edit and just erase around it, or I could just go up here to color and let's see if I can get it closer. So I'm going to do the eyedropper, and I'm just going to drop that. And there we go. That works. That part. I didn't do this part though. But it's all good. You get what I'm trying to say. It's just easy to edit right here now. I love it. Love, love, love. Okay. So have fun. I'll have more videos coming, but this is big, guys. This is awesome. All right. Have a great day.